morning, everybody. Heading out on another one this morning. Working right up the road here, not too far. Working on the horse farm this morning. They have some issues with a run-in shed, so we're going to go take care of it for them. So stay tuned. Nice brisk 37-degree morning here. Pretty nice for May 18th. So great morning, beautiful day, beautiful day. So what we have here is, this is a horse vet farm, and they do a lot of specialty birthing and insemination and all that, but they have some type of bacteria here in this particular paddock, and it's causing them a lot of problems. So we're going to take some of this dirt up in this wet spot here. We're going to put 57s in it. Then we're going to put rock dust over all this, compact it down, and put the horse stall mats back in. So pretty easy job. Won't take long to do, but hopefully it'll get them out of this problem that they're having with this bacteria that's developed in this paddock. So stay tuned. Shoot, I ain't getting none of that on video. Shouldn't have my camera. Anyway, got this leveled out.
That'll be enough in there probably, right?
Well, we need more over there. Need some right here. I do. Push it in that way.
What are these ones things?
Top of weed. The hole. That's a hole. Low spot. Let me get a shovel. Leave some tail. Heavy there. Heavy there. that's going to about do it. Nice and compacted. I guess the problem they were having with their bacteria was in this mud right here, getting in their hooves or whatever. But there we go. Figure these mats out and we're out of here. Have about 1 bucket of dust left, and so the client's going to use that behind the office there for something. And so here's our finished deal. Nice compacted. All ready to go. We'll put the mats in and load up and get out of here. Hey, thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up, like it, subscribe. We really appreciate it. And we'll see you next time. Thanks.